Beatrice, and I have created this video to help raise awareness about Asian elephants becoming extinct. Asian elephants have faced many problems over the years with extinction. Follow me into Southeast Asia. For thousands of years, Asian elephants have been a cultural icon in Asia. Asian elephants are very sociable and tend to stay in groups, but sometimes they will try to be apart from another herd. Usually, a female leads the small groups. More than 2/3 of Asian elephants spend their days eating grasses, huge amounts of tree bark, roots, and leaves. But their favorite foods are cultivated crops like bananas, rice, and sugarcane. Elephants do not drink a ton of water. However, they do have to drink at least once a day. Elephants play a vital role in forest ecosystems. This is referred to as a keystone species. You might be wondering why these elephants are a keystone species. They help open up forest clearings, and this helps distribute seeds, trees, and shrubs to grow. So why are we killing them? One of the main problems is habitat loss. These animals are being threatened in tremendous ways due to poaching, trade, clear-cutting, and humans moving their agriculture crops, etc., to areas where the mass amounts of forests used to be. Since the elephants are used to going to their usual areas to feed, they tend to trample or raid the farmers' crops, properties, and even sometimes kill people. This resulted into the villagers killing the elephants. It's not their fault that people are taking away their habitat. However, poaching is a huge issue. Killing Asian elephants for ivory and occasionally meat is threatening the elephant's population dramatically. Humans trade the ivory for valuable amounts of money. Since only males have tusks, people tend to just hunt the males. This has also resulted to a decline of breeding to decrease. Also, the result of a loss of genetic viability resulting from small population size and isolation. This has led to unbalanced population amount.
To be able to look outside my hut every morning and see the beautiful herd of Asian elephants travel through the green and lush forest. Even though they are very large, they are graceful in every step they take. To get their size into perspective, the males were 8.9 feet tall at the shoulder and weighed about 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. There used to be so many, my tribe would depend on them for distributing seeds so we could grow berries to eat. Tall, green, full, beautiful trees once filled the forest. When it rained, you could hear every drop in the forest. It was like an echo of drips of water that smelled of fresh air. The year when I looked outside my window and there were no herds of elephants or lush trees. It was like it vanished overnight. There were no more berries, shrubs, trees, or the fresh smell of water hitting against the leaves. Fear descended on our village. Other villagers were killing elephants for their ivory to make money, even though these innocent creatures never deserved this. I didn't understand how our humankind could destroy the elephants' habitat and kill them, but I began to realize how the elephants would change our world if there are no more.
The first major problem to the survival of the Asian elephants is the habitat loss and fragmentation. To correct this first problem, research has shown that creating vegetated corridors separating habitats so that the elephants can travel safely through their habitats without getting hurt. They would have no more room to roam the forest. Also, improving the protection of wild herds from poaching, creating stricter laws across Asia, making it harder for people to illegally poach. This might be effective because if people were to overlook these laws, there would be serious consequences.